Alright guys, my daughter poured some water on my Lenovo Z40 display, so it is dead. I'm gonna show you how to change it. So just take out the frame, be careful because you may break it down. Unlock all the locks. Yep. And there are some screws that keep the screen. So just open all the screws. That's easy. Yes, and that's it. So there is a cable connector here. So take it out very carefully. There is a cable here. That is the most sensitive part. So unplug this cable. So here's the one that I'm going to change it. So I bought a new one from laptopscreen.com, and here's the new one. So just plug the cable, the connector, very carefully. And just put everything back as it was before. Just close all the screws, not very hard. Take off the screen protector. That is not that mandatory, but okay. And put the frame back very gently. Make sure that everything is in place. Okay, we are pretty much there. So just as a test, let me turn it on. There we go. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoy. So laptopscreen.com. You can buy the new screens for pretty much all the models.